Here's starting your own dropshipping business. First, choose a company that provides a dropshipping platform. But by the way, what is dropshipping? So ayun guys, para sa wala pang ideya about dropshipping and how it works, ang dropshipping business ay kung saan pwede ang kahit sino magbenta ng products. No need mag-stock, no need ng inventory, ibig sabihin hindi mo kailangan mamuhunan para sa mga product na po-order mo. No need din mag-abala para ipaship ito sa mga client dahil once na nakapili ka ng partner company mo kung saan sila ang provide ng products mo, sila din mahal mag-pack ng pa-order mo, magpa-ship ng pa-order mo, hihintayin mo na lang na pumasok sa account mo ang commission mo sa nabenta mong product. Now, I highly recommend Chantal Direct Sales Incorporation as your partner in dropshipping business. Why? Because it provides Dr. Vita by Chantal health and beauty supplements that has been awarded as Best Startup Pricing Brand for Health and Wellness Brand category in 2023 by Philippine E-Commerce Association. And also, alam natin when it comes to supplements, it was on demand lalo na sa panahon natin ngayon na marami nagkakasakit kaya ang Chantal Direct Sales Incorporation ay nag-provide ng quality yet affordable products for our customers. And also, hindi lang sa Pilipinas ang market ni Chantal dahil it serves also in other selected countries such as UAE, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Japan na kung saan pwede pa din ang cash on delivery sa kanila dahil nga sa dropshipping platform na meron ang Chantal Direct Sales. Second is you need to choose how would you market your products. Kasi sabi ko nga, Chantal na ang bahala sa lahat ng processing ng order mo. So, kailangan mo na lang isipin is paano ka makakabenta. It's either you do a traditional way, like posting the products on your Facebook, or sell it in your family and friends. Or, choose a platform like Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, or Facebook and Google Ads. Now, iisipin mo na hindi ka maalam or mahal ang bayad sa mga courses para matuto ka naman magbenta sa iba't ibang platforms. And yes, totoo naman, it costs 50,000 above to enroll in a course that provides that trainings. But, may good news ulit ako bakit recommended ko ang Chantal Direct Sales as your dropshipping partner. Dahil Chantal also provides free trainings like Facebook ads trainings, website creation, Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok shop creation. At sobrang dami pang iba. Biruin mo yon, may dropshipping platform ka na, may free trainings ka pa, how would you maximize your sales? And the best about Chantal is unlike other company, you need to pay them a subscription so you can continue to access their company and products. But here, it's just one-time payment only and your membership would be lifetime. Plus, they will give you a free products that is more expensive than your paid membership. So what are you waiting? Comment down below to start your own dropshipping business.